You see, guys, the whole point of my life is I need more faith. And the only way I get faith is by speaking words. And the more words I speak in life, the more faith I have. So I realize my vocal cords are stronger now, and I feel much better. I feel much more different. I feel like I'm going somewhere with my life. But at the same time, I realize things are opening up for myself in my life, and I realize things that are happening. So I need to actually help myself to understand what it is all about, and I have to understand that when I understand something about what I want to do with my life, I can actually get to a point of understanding about everything that I'm doing. And then when I actually give that content to people, I feel much better for it. I feel, even though a lot of people understand where I'm coming from, I understand that I just need to actually promote my work. I need to be doing more content. I need to be living a great life. And that's the whole point of helping myself to grow and making sure that I'm a better person and doing something for myself where I'm actually practicing my skills, practicing my content, posting a lot of content online every single day, and pushing my boundaries.